Fully loading, kuya.
Venice. Philippine style.
Okay, good evening, everyone. Hello, Jemima. Oh, Don is very happy. Nandito na kami, oh. Tingnan mo, nandito kami sa Venice. Oh, my prinsesa. Oh, James. Masayang-masaya na si Don. Oh, nakasakay kami sa ano tawag nito, kuya? Gondola. Very nice.
Been to Venice. Yeah. It's really
Yun.
busy.
Pero, kuya, ang pinakamaganda palagi is December, December. Month of December.
Medyo nakakainip ma'am kasi 3 hours waiting time before you ride.
Oo, yun nga lang.
Medyo
Pero
crowded.
very nice ang view na pag December. Yun.